Hello everyone, Mr. Beast and my fans. Please like this video. Please like this video before starting. Okay, everyone. So let's start this story. But remember that as you know, this is my just a story, and this I make just for you, your enjoyment. So just imagine this, enjoy this. If you have any question, queries, you can write in the comments. But sorry, in my short section and comment in my first short. Okay, because long videos comments will be off. I will answer you. I promise. Okay. So you can write your questions, theories, and thoughts in the comments. Okay, let's start this video. But remember that as you know, guys, this is my sixth story of today on my this and my channel on 19 January 2025. Let's start this. Welcome to the ultimate showdown. Imagine a world where superheroes are real, and I am not talking about the movies. Today we are diving into the groundbreaking event, Mr. Beast first ever real life Avengers Assemble Showdown. Listen again. Mr. Beast first ever real life Avengers Assemble Showdown. Picture this, a massive arena filled with fans all buzzing with excitement. Mr. Beast is here to host an epic competition where teams of talented content creators, innovators, and tech enthusiasts, battle it out for a jaw-dropping prize, $1 billion. Okay, the prize dropping prize is a jaw dropping prize, $1 billion. Yes, you heard that right, $1 billion on the line. Now, what makes this showdown truly unique? It's all about technology and innovation. Okay, it's all about technology and innovation, where you're not just talking about physical challenges. Expect mind-blowing tech obstacles that test both brains and brawn. What is called brawn? Tell me in the comments. Okay, that will test both brains and brawn, from using cutting edge gadgets to solve complex puzzles, to drones delivering supplies, and to drone delivering supplies mind made challenge. This event is a fusion of creativity and competition like never before. But it's more than just a contest. It's a story of teamwork and resilience. Each team will embody the spirit of the Avengers, showcasing their unique skills and strengths. They will face trials that push them to their limits, all while entertaining millions of viewers across platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This is just a completely story, guys. Imagine this, enjoy this, and let's not forget the impact of this event. It's not just about winning, it's about inspiring innovation in the next generation. Mr. Beast is setting the stage for creators everywhere to think outside the box and harness technology to in ways we have never imagined. So mark your calendars, guys, for my more videos. Please subscribe if you want more stories like these. Get ready for a show that combines adrenaline pumping action with groundbreaking tech. More on my this channel. Will your favorite team rise to the occasion? Stay tuned to find out who will take home that life-changing $1 billion. Let's assemble. Bye for now.